I was attending college for graphic design and really started to become interested in aviation. In the beginning, I enjoyed looking at pictures of airplanes and reading magazines about airplanes. And as time went on, I was hooked. Once I completed maintenance school, I knew I had found my passion because I truly enjoyed every minute of it. Airplanes create a very loud environment, and we utilize visual hand signals that are understood by everyone. This allows everyone to be able to communicate without the need to hear. We do have another deaf mechanic working here, so I've noticed that my coworkers are starting to pick up a little bit of sign language. They do use it here all the time, but I also use my phone to type and communicate with pilots and my coworkers. I am still new to maintenance, having only been here less than 2 years. When I look back to my first day, I've learned a lot and have become a better mechanic. How do I become a better mechanic? By being patient, staying motivated, and continuing to learn. I try to understand the problem and find solutions.